Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that you could buy a soft wash setup for around $100 to $150 and just about be ready to go right out of the box? Let's look into that, but first hit that subscribe button so you can catch all my upcoming videos. Now, you're probably looking at this saying that's not a soft wash system. You are 100% correct. This is actually a chemical sprayer from Tractor Supply. You can buy them at Harbor Freight, buy them off of Amazon, any of your farm supply stores. But the same basic concept of the soft wash system is there. Let's check it out. So to begin with, you have a 15-gallon tank. That is a good starting point for a small soft wash system for someone just starting out. You have 15 feet of hose. That's not a lot, but this system is going to be portable, either on a wagon or hand truck, something like that. So you'll be wheeling it around the house, easy to use. It also comes with a spray wand. You don't have to go out and build you a soft wash gun or anything like that to start with. You can start just like this. This particular one comes with a 1 gallon per minute pump. As you know, most soft wash systems seem to be around 4.5 and up. But you can always unbolt this pump, bolt you on a bleach pump, reconnect your hoses, and there's your updated soft wash system. It's already plumbed for your exterior hose, of course, and there's the plumbing for the suction for the pump. A good feature about this particular one is it comes with a fused pump, which is always good to have. It's always good to have a fuse in your line of 12 volts there. It also comes with the wiring harness to plug in, which has your alligator style clamps for hooking to a 12 volt battery source. And this has an on off switch already wired. When you upgrade this to a bigger pump or anything, you can reuse your wires and pretty much reuse everything on here. This particular model is a Femco Industries. There's your model number. 1 gallon per minute high flow pump. It has the handgun. It says 18 foot vertical, 30 foot horizontal spray. We're going to try this out in just a few minutes. The weakness in using a cheap setup like this to begin with is going to be your pump. I would go ahead and unmount this one and put you a 4.5 gallon or more bleach pump on there, running bleach through this pump, SH through this pump. It's going to cut its life down pretty quick. That would be your first upgrade on this system. Your second upgrade, of course, would be your hose, which doesn't have to be a high pressure hose. A lot of people like Flexzilla. And then your wand. There's a couple different styles out there that people like to use with say turbo nozzles and things like that to get a spray pattern and stuff. That's completely up to you. If you do a YouTube search and find you a soft wash gun that you want to build, it never hurts to keep this one with you. If something happens to your other one or gets broke or something, you can always put this one right back on it to finish up a job in a bind. Alright, so I put a couple gallons of water in here. Got it hooked up to just a old water Optima battery and switch to on. And as you can see, it reaches probably about 18 feet. The tip leaves a little to be desired. If I had a better nozzle, better tip on it, could probably get it to shoot a little further. But this house has a high A roof for a single story, and also it's on a slope, so the foundation is about between 4 and 5 feet high down here, so that makes the house taller too. A normal single story house could have easily reached the eaves of it. Stay tuned the next couple of days. I'll have a video of soft washing this entire house. If you looked into soft washing, you know that some people do a mix and a sprayer and spray it on and wash it off with a water hose. I would say this chemical sprayer system is a step up from that. It's in no means a professional setup, but for a beginner setup, it beats going out and spending $400 or $500 on the Northern Tool one. As you can see, or just a Gilmore gun or something like that on a water hose. Once again, this is not meant to be a professional everyday thing, but it will work to get started and try it out, or for the DIYer just trying to do his own house without spending a ton of money. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Thank y'all for watching.